What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today's cooking video, I am going to be showing you how to make corn fritters. And keep in mind, today's method I'm going to show you, it's kind of experimental, but I think it might work. So let's go over what we need. So to make corn fritters, you're going to need flour, salt, baking powder, sugar, milk, eggs, olive oil, and corn. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you an experimental cooking method done in an air fryer. So let's get started. So I just combined 1 cup of flour. I also combined a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a whole teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to grab a fork and I'm going to mix it up. And then next you're going to get another mixing bowl and you're going to beat together 1/2 cup of milk, 1 whole egg, and you'll need 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. Once you have thoroughly mixed it, once you've done so thoroughly, you're going to pour it into the bowl, and you're going to mix it until a dough forms. Now you need to cut open your can. If you're using a can of corn, make sure you drain the corn before you put it into the mixture. You're going to add it like so, and you're going to fold it together. I got to set this down. I need 2 hands. So this is how the mixture ought to look like. Now let's turn over to where I'll be showing you the experimental method for corn fritters. Alright, so I sprayed down the basket a little bit to ensure that the fritters don't stick. Now you just gotta roll them up into balls, stick them in the air fryer at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 minutes. Alright, it just went ding. Let's see how they turned out. Huh. They're not quite round, but like I said, this is an experimental recipe. Let's take it over to the table and taste test it. Let's get them out and taste test them real quick. So apparently this is how the final product looks like, and I'm gonna do a taste test real quick. These aren't too bad. Could be better, though. Anyway, that's how you make corn fritters, because it's more conventional to heat oil up to 365 degrees and fry them in a pan. But at least, if you think this was a perfect experimental recipe, if it was a good idea for me to air fry corn fritters, please leave a comment down below, and thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time.